Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Tesla Model Y battery, updated. Start by disconnecting the 12V system and isolating high voltage components before touching anything. Work on a flat surface with wheel chocks and clear lighting. Gather a helper and verify battery state of charge is safe for work. Follow torque specs and manufacturer guidance when removing bolts and brackets to protect connectors and vehicle systems. In this video, I will show how to change Tesla Model Y battery, updated. Begin by organizing your tools and confirming vehicle is off and in service mode. Use insulated tools for any electrical work and keep a clear workspace for the replacement pack. Label connectors and take photos during disassembly to ensure correct reassembly. Secure the vehicle on ramps or a lift and plan the removal path for the heavy battery module. In this video, I will show how to change Tesla Model Y battery, updated. Carefully remove underbody covers and any thermal management lines, then drain or isolate coolant as needed. Unbolt the battery pack using the specified torque sequence and lower it with a certified hoist or 2 strong helpers. Position the new pack, reconnect coolant and electrical plugs, torque fasteners to spec, and run diagnostics to confirm proper operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.